So a quieter explanation of what we just did was we put that fuel filter in line. We took off the supply to the fuel pump, and what we did was we connected this thing. We had it down here like that, and we put it in this line right there, the main line from the tank, and we blew air down it. And so when we did that, what we found out is that the lines for the tank, so we could hear it that the gas tank on the driver's side was the one that was working. So that's the one that was hooked up. And then these lines right in there, right back here. Let me see if I can get you in there a little bit better. Yeah, right there. Those lines there were crimped by this much. So we had to take and undo those lines and take that much off the lines so that we could get, and they're all nice and straight now. And we put them all back together, but we had to make room for that. So that's what we did. That's what happened. So the fuel pump now works. It pumped fuel instantly. So that fuel pump works great, and everything's cool. So we're happy with it. We got it running. The next thing is I just drained the water out of it because there ain't no leaks, and it's gonna freeze tonight, supposedly. I don't know how you go from 80 to freezing, but you do it in Texas. So anyway, we're having a great time. Later.